Alright, we're having a duck and a turkey being born right now. The duck just got born as I came in. And the turkey's being born right now too. Look at that beautiful baby duck coming in. And that turkey's behind him. Come on, turkey. Come on, turkey. Look at that duck already standing up, man. That's insane. Come on, turkey. We're gonna give him a little hand. Yeah, man. Oh no, the egg's hiding around him. Are you alive, babe? Oh no. I don't think he made it, guys. Poor guy was stuck under the wing. Poor baby. You know, give him a little chance to wake up, maybe. I doubt it. Looks like he broke his neck trying to get out. Alright, let's shut this so we can everybody else a chance. What a sad ending to a happy moment. And Buffy. Got a healthy duck now and a bunch of healthy chocolate turkeys, so gotta be grateful for what we do got. Ain't that right, players? Chicharronas. God bless y'all. Remember, through God, all things are possible. We got the baby quail in here being protected by Little Bit Belly and Juju. Juju's the protector of the baby quail. They're all in here warming up, getting used to their new home. I'm fitting to give it some more cover. Girl, I've been with him. Ain't always the cowboy. Lord is what I do. Leave him be, G. Lay ya, players. Y'all be good, alright? Remember, through God, all things are possible. Get out there and be happy. And be happy. Peace.